Hi, I am Dr. Shyam Sarkar. Welcome to my class. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. So today I will discuss one MSQ type question which was asked in IIT-JAM 2021 related with aromaticity. So this is very simple question, and if you go through my previous lectures which I have shared links in this video description. You just go through, you will automatically learn how to answer this type of question answer related with aromaticity. So I hope you will learn many things from these 3 videos. You just go through once, you will like it, and you will learn easily how to answer the question related with aromaticity. Okay, so let us come back to this question. So this question is MSQ, that means there could be multiple answer of these questions. That's why MSQ type question. So let's solve this question. So who have gone through my previous videos, you will see I always use this type of chart for your easy understanding. So if you make this chart, it will be very easy to identify whether these compounds, these given compounds, are whether aromatic or anti-aromatic or non-aromatic. So in which category these compounds are falling, you can easily identify from this table. So let's go with first option. So this is cyclic compound. Okay, let's stick with cyclic. So this is not conjugated because one sp3 carbon atom is there, so it's not conjugated. Planar, it's not planar. It's following 4n pi electron rules, 4n pi electron rules where n equal to 1, but it's not satisfying the other conditions to be aromaticity. That means Hückel's rule is not getting satisfied by this compound. So this is non-aromatic compound. Let's move to the option B. So this is cyclic and this has conjugated pi bonds. This is planar and these obey the 4n pi electron rules where n equal to 2. So this is anti-aromatic type of compound according to Hückel's rule. Let's move to the next option. So this option, this is cyclic, conjugated, planar, and it follows also 4n pi electron rules where n equal to 1. So this is also anti-aromatic compound. Let's move to the last option. So this is cyclic, conjugated, planar, and it follows 4n pi electron rules where n equal to 1. So this is also anti-aromatic compound. So from these you can easily say anti-aromatic compounds are B, C and D. Since this question is MSQ, that means multiple selective answer, so there will be 3 options, B, C, D are anti-aromatic. So let's go back to the question. So among the following, the anti-aromatic compounds are B, C, D. So our option will be B, C, D. So B, C, D are the correct answers. So let's see, this is very simple answer, and if you go through my previous lecture, it is very easy to understand how to solve this type of question, and you can easily solve any question related to aromaticity. Okay, so if you don't remember this chart, you can alternatively do like this. So this compound, it belongs, this is cyclic, non-planar, non-conjugated, and it has 4n pi electrons where n equal to 1. So this is non-aromatic type compound since it is non-planar and not conjugated. For other cases, it is anti-aromatic and it obeys Hückel's rule of 4n pi electrons where n equal to 2 in this case. So this is anti-aromatic. And the third one, this is cyclic, planar, fully conjugated, 4n pi 4 electron rules is so where n equal to 1. So this is also anti-aromatic, and the last one is also anti-aromatic. We know this is very well-known compound, cyclobutadiene. So this is also cyclic, planar, fully conjugated, having 4n pi electrons where n equal to 1. So all these 3 B, C, D options are falling in the anti-aromatic. So our answer is B, C and D. So this is how we can solve very easily this type of question, and you will get full marks if you have done in this way. So you can use either that chart or this method. So whatever is easy for you, you just adopt this, and I hope you will learn the technique to solve this type of problem. Okay. If you have any doubt or any query or any other question related to aromaticity, feel free to ask me, and you can comment your question or you can post your question in my Facebook page, or also you can email me. Email is given in the description box. If you have any doubt, any query or any other question related to aromaticity or any other things, you can also email me. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and put a like button. Also you can put your valuable comments in this section.